clearly
Step him down.
Get down, Rambe.
एमपीटीच्या एक्सपान्शन प्रकल्पावेले सुनावणेचो मंगळारा 5वो दीस. मंगळारा बंदराच्या ड्रेजिंगाचो इश्यू आशिल्लो. कोल हँडलिंगाचो विस्तार जायत जाल्यार वास्कोकार काबार जातले अशे एक्टिविस्ट म्हणटात.
हे एक व्हडलो वो एक पब्लीक हियरिंग प्रोसेस आसा तो सारको जायना आनी हाका लागून सत्य आसा तें मुखार सरना. पूण सबंद गोंयकाराक आतां कळून आयलां की हे सगळे लोकांक सांगनासतना गोंयांत कोल हाडपाक सोदतात. जी न्हंयो ड्रेजिंग करून सगल्यो 6 न्हंयो आमच्यो मेन कोल हँडलिंगा जेन्ना यूज करतले, जेन्ना आमची रेल्वे ट्रॅक डबल जातले, हायवेज कंप्लीट जातले आनी पोर्टाची सगळीं कामां जातली बेतला आनी एमपीटी, जाल्यार गोंयकार हांगा कशे रावतले? तुमकां गोंयांत कितले गोंयकार मेळटले आनी गोंयांत इकॉनॉमीक एक्टिविटी कितें आसतली? जाल्यार फक्त 3 कंपनीज जिंदाल, वेदांता आनी अडानीच गोंय चलयतले.
Once salt water starts entering our soil, our cropping patterns will change. This is going to prove to be a very serious agricultural hazard. Salt in the soil, would change our cropping pattern. Our agriculture would suffer. A lot of plants which we see, which are growing say 3 and 4 kilometers inland, will be destroyed, and only marine plants or marine species of plants which can grow in salt water would grow in those areas. So this is something what will be an agricultural hazard for the state of Goa.
Modi says सबका साथ सबका विकास. Your MPT says Adani, Jindal, Agarwal का विकास, वास्को का सत्यानाश. Here we have our respected collector and additional collector sitting in front of us. Time and again they keep coming as turn by turn. We have made complete proof we have submitted to you. The GSPCB is saying that there is pollution. When there is a violation, why are you not taking action? You all can stop a public nuisance, which is right in your power, sir. We are asking you for that. Stop that nuisance.
एक्टिविस्टांनी वास्कोकारांची बाजू बरे तरेन मांडल्या म्हूण आमदार कार्लूस उलयलो. तो एमपीटीचे कोल हँडलिंग एक्सपान्शन नाका म्हूण लोकां वटेन रावला. एमपीटीची ही सुनावणी आतां 6व्या दिसाचेर पावल्या. बुधवाराय सुनावणी जातली.
Here I would ask the Ringo Pollution Control Board is when the readings are high, why have you not withdrawn the consent to operate?
Yeah, correct question. We are asking for 4 days now.
Another major thing is that MPT has made a statement regarding outsiders. I think we all go on here at first.
Yeah.
Aapure Goenka and my Vastugar. See, and now I just heard this, and I'm telling you that it is very enlightening that so many NGOs have come to Vasco. I think they must be knowing more about Vasco. Even I think Mr. Agner will be knowing more about Vasco now after sitting in the rehearsal. But then I just want to make a point is that Goa Pollution Control Board should have withdrawn that the consent to operate. When they know pollution levels are high, why are they doing this?
Exactly.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशांत परब.